In this video, I'll show you how to view your ThingLink content in virtual reality mode on MetaQuest, PICO, or HTC VIVE headsets. First, make sure to install the ThingLink XR app. Once you've created an interactive ThingLink project, the easiest way to share or view an individual project is by using a VR shortcode. Open your project on the web, select Share, View in VR, and here you will see the shortcode. In the ThingLink XR app, select Shortcode and enter the code. You can also access content through your organization's landing page, where viewers can access all content added to the page. To do this, select Organization ID and enter your landing page's ID. You can check your landing page settings to see what your organization ID is, or ask your administrator to share it with you. If your landing page is private, sign in using the Account option instead to view the landing page. There's also a separate tutorial if you'd like to learn more about the landing page. And that's it. Now you know how to view your content in VR. If you have any questions about VR content viewing, contact our support team.